Hey, Mary, is that you over there?
John! Wow, I cannot believe it is you!
It has been a long time since we met.
Yes, it feels like many months already.
What are you doing at this shopping mall today?
I came here to buy some clothes for work.
That sounds nice. I'm just walking around and looking.
Are you shopping alone today?
Yes, I came alone to relax and enjoy my time.
That is a good way to spend your day.
And what about you? Are you alone too?
Yes, my friends are busy, so I came by myself.
This mall looks very busy today.
Yes, many people are shopping because it is the weekend.
I see many shops with big discounts.
Yes, there is a sale in many stores.
Did you already buy something?
Not yet. I am still looking for a nice dress.
There's a clothing store on the second floor.
That sounds interesting. Have you been there before?
Yes, I went there last week with my cousin.
Did you find good clothes there?
Yes, the clothes are simple and comfortable.
That is exactly what I'm looking for.
Do you want me to show you the store?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Before we go, do you want a drink?
Yes, I feel a little thirsty now.
There's a juice shop near the entrance.
I like fresh juice very much.
What kind of juice do you like?
I like orange juice or watermelon juice.
I will get an orange juice for you.
That sounds great.
I will get one for myself, too.
Let us go together to the shop.
The shop is just over there on the left.
I can see it now. It looks nice.
The place is clean and bright.
Yes, and the drinks look fresh.
I will order 2 orange juices.
That is a good choice.
We can sit there while we drink.
Yes, I want to rest for a while.
Here are our drinks.
The juice looks very fresh and cold.
Let me try mine first.
How does it taste?
It tastes sweet and refreshing.
I will try mine now.
Do you like it?
Yes, it is very nice and cool.
This is a good place to relax.
I agree. The music is also soft.
So, how is your work these days?
My work is busy, but I'm learning a lot.
That is good to hear.
What about you? How is your job?
My job is also busy, but I enjoy it.
That is important, enjoying your work.
Do you come to this mall often?
Not really, maybe once a month.
I come here sometimes on weekends.
It is a good place to spend free time.
Yes, there are many things to see.
After this, can we go to the clothing store?
Yes, let us finish our drinks first.
I am almost done with my juice.
Me too. We can go now.
Let us take the escalator to the second floor.
The escalator is right over there.
Be careful when you step on it.
Yes, I will be careful.
Now we are on the second floor.
The store is just in front of us.
It looks modern and clean.
They have many styles here.
I see many dresses on that side.
You can check those dresses.
I like this blue dress.
That color looks good on you.
I will try it in the fitting room.
I will wait here for you.
I will come back soon.
Take your time and choose well.
I am back. What do you think?
It looks very nice and fits you well.
I feel comfortable in this dress.
Then you should get it.
Yes, I think I will buy it.
That is a good choice.
I will go to the cashier now.
I will wait near the entrance.
I am done with the payment.
That was quick.
Yes, the service was fast.
Do you want to walk around more?
Yes, I want to see the electronics shop.
There is one on the third floor.
Let us go there together.
We can take the elevator this time.
The elevator is on the right side.
Here it is. Let us go in.
Which floor should we press?
Press number 3.
Okay, we are going up now.
The doors are opening.
This floor looks very bright.
The electronics shop is over there.
I want to look at headphones.
There are many types here.
This one looks simple and light.
You can try it if you want.
The sound is clear and nice.
That is a good sign.
I may buy it next time.
That sounds like a plan.
We have walked a lot today.
Yes, I feel a little tired now.
Do you want to sit and rest again?
Yes, let us find a place to sit.
There is a bench near the window.
The view from here is nice.
I can see many people below.
This was a fun surprise meeting.
Yes, I am happy we met today.
We should meet again soon.
Yes, maybe next weekend.
We can watch a movie together.
That sounds like a good idea.
I will message you later.
Okay, I will wait for your message.
I need to go home soon.
Me too. It is getting late.
It was really nice seeing you again.
Yes, I enjoyed our time together.
Let us meet again very soon.
Yes, I would like that.
Take care on your way home.
You too, stay safe.
See you next time, Mary.
See you, John.
I will remember today.
Me too. It was a happy day.
Let us keep in touch.
Yes, we will stay in touch.
I will go this way.
I will go that way.
See you soon again.
See you soon.